called? What was it called? Craftsman and Wolves. And our friend Christine recommended it, and it was so good. I got like a strawberry jam kind of thing, and Peter got like a something with an egg in it. Oh, that is so bad. Maybe I should memorize that next time. But last night we got in at 11 o'clock at night, and then one of our friends picked us up, but we woke up kind of late today and started walking. We're staying in Missions right now, so we are at Missions Dolores Park over here. And I'm really excited for San Francisco. I think it'll be really fun, and we have a lot of good friends who are coming to see us, and it'll be fun just hanging out with Peter too. I love this park. It's perfect weather outside. You can see the San Francisco skyline back there. The Painted Ladies, and honestly it was a little bit underwhelming, but it was still nice to see in this area. This park is super cute, and the weather is perfect. It got a little bit hot, so I just took off my jacket, but so far it feels great outside. Beautiful here, and it's really windy. When we first got here it was really foggy, but then it cleared up a little bit, so now we can see a lot of the bay. We can see Alcatraz, a lot more of the Golden Gate, so it's great. What the heck, I thought these were flowers, and I was like, these are the most beautiful blue flowers, but they're just flags. Right now we're in Crissy Field, and it's the park right next to Golden Gate Bridge. So everybody.
Why are you walking backwards?
I have to walk backwards because then the wind blows this way and the sun is like this. But right behind me is downtown San Francisco, and right in front of me is the Golden Gate Bridge. Right now, after we finish with Crissy Field, we're gonna try to go to Lombard Street, which is the zigzaggy
oh wait, that's
road.
A zigzag road?
Yeah, and then we're gonna go to Fisherman's Wharf and meet up with some friends later. We're back in the city. Came back from the Golden Gate Bridge, and I got myself an iced Americano, but right now we're heading to Lombard Street because it's really popular.
Hi there guys, we just got to the Fisherman's Wharf, and me and Caitlin, we're gonna go get something to eat real quick,
We're at the place where the cable cars stop so people can get on the really famous cable car out here.
I like to say, land of forms of life.
Come on! That's not how you play it. Nobody better fool around with your girl.
It's cool.
We just went to the Musée Mechanique, which is a really cute place at Pier 45. There's a lot of games in it, but I think I'd be scared to be there at nighttime because there are really creepy dolls and creepy games and pianos that play by itself, so not some place that I'd go. Walking to the Uber headquarters. One of our friends are interning there right now, so we're gonna go check it out. We just went to the wrong Uber HQ, and our friends is a 30-minute walk away. So, are we gonna walk there? Sad. We just took the BART, which is the Bay Area Rapid Transit, and it's similar to the MARTA, but it's really busy, to get to
Here it
the
is.
actual Uber
David's
HQ.
right there. David?
These are all of David's free snacks, but they're all off-brand.
They're like healthy burgers.
Kombucha? What are these? Hi David, thanks for taking us to Uber.
Yeah, we get to see on these.
Hi Peter, thanks for... Hi David.
Japan.
Good morning. We are at the Golden Gate Park. It's really big, almost as big as Central Park. And here's the Rose Garden.
Hi.
We ate breakfast today at Cafe
Yo, what's up?
Riviera.
Caitlin's vlog.
Levaye.
Hey, smash. How many viewers do you got?
I have like none.
9?
None.
9. That's so many. Wow, that's crazy.
Maybe if you're better at talking on the vlog, you have more viewers.
I'm so bad at talking in the vlogs.
Here, I got it.
Okay.
These guys.
Hey, so we're out here today, guys, and I can't believe the weather is so nice, but it's a little foggy, but that's okay too. You know, we're just out here to enjoy ourselves with our friends. And look over there.
small dim sum kind of thing. So I got sticky rice wrapped in. What are these called?
Lotus leaves.
Lotus leaves. And then I got some shomai. That's what Peter got too. They didn't have any hagao, so we couldn't get any. But
You and me trying to find something to believe.
I hate pigeons.
Running free, still got a lot of shit left to see. I'm stuck in this town, and the town's stuck in me. Always trying to find another reason to leave, but we sit at home, all alone. Hoping one day I'll never be known, 'cause I'm stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top. Wishing everything would just come to a stop.